Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how you can do A-line mission in Skate 4. So let's get started. What you'll need to do is get some speed immediately. There's little secret tip. Just make sure the session marker is right here at the border because you need to get some speed. As you can see here, you'll need to do a quadruple flip trick. Here, just go and grind those rails. It's not that hard. Right here, you need to get some speed and make sure that you take the right moment to jump because otherwise you'll fail. Right here, collect all of those. Okay, so you get the idea. Here you do quadruple flip trick. Here, just grind those rails. And right here, you need to jump and use L2 button to grab it. So let's try again.